Okuma Vertical Machining Center, model MX55VB, serial number 0621, machine's new in 1999. It has an OSP U100M control. We're going to run it for you. Right now it is running at 500. It's a 50 taper machine, by the way. Has 41 inches in the X, 22 in the Y, and 17 3/4 in the Z. 1500 RPM. We're going up. It goes up to 6000 RPM, by the way. 1000. 4500 RPM. Again, it's a 50 taper machine and it's pretty quiet. Machine also has an automatic tool changer with 20 tool capacity. Side mount. We're simulating a tool change. Okay. Drag the axes. Again, that's your Z, which is 17 3/4, 17.72. X, 41.3/4, or 1050 millimeter. And your Y. The whole head goes in and out. And that's 22-inch travel. Once again, Okuma OSP U100M control. Machine does have coolant, chip conveyor. And hey, thank you for watching our video.